And also this thing, I don't know if they want to dupe me. I asked one shop. They said that the rice, the Niger rice here is 3,200 peso. That is $64. Imagine rice, $64. And I even asked, is it one bag of rice? They said that no, it's only 5 kilos.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me as she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mela, and for today I will talk about the Nigerian ingredients, Nigerian food here in the Philippines, Cambodia. So I've been here for almost 2 years since I left Cambodia. So if you don't know my background, I've been working in Cambodia for almost 6 years, and that's where I also met my husband. Before I traveled, I don't have any idea about Nigerian food or any African food. In Cambodia, I was exposed to Nigerian food. I'm here in Philippines after I worked in Cambodia and decided to stay for good. What I observed here, Nigerian ingredients here are way more higher than Cambodia. So just like the soup, the regular soup they have, just like okra soup, Masala Obono, in Cambodia it's only $2.50 or $5, so 250 pesos, and that is $5. You can add $1 if you want to add like suji or semo. So yeah, you can add only $1. That red oil, that one shocked me here in the Philippines, because in Cambodia the 500 ml of red oil cost only for $5, that is 250 pesos, and for 1 liter is only $10, which is 500 pesos. But the last time I bought red oil here, that was 500 ml, and I paid like 450 pesos, so that is $9. That's for 500 ml. So it's very expensive. It's twice the price in Cambodia. And also this thing, I don't know if they want to dupe me. I asked one shop. They said that the rice, the Niger rice here is 3,200 peso. That is $64. Imagine rice, $64. And I even asked, is it one bag of rice? They said that no, it's only 5 kilos. So now, wow, who will eat that kind of rice? Imagine at this hard time you'll be chopping $64 of rice. That one is not possible though. I don't know, maybe they just want to dupe me because they saw me that I just arrived here, because I was craving for a Niger rice. So I asked, and yeah, since they saw me that I'm new, so they said it's $64, that is 3,200. That one shocked me, Imagine 3,200. If you know the Niger rice, please comment down below how much is the rice here. So they don't want to dupe me. The one that I'm chopping here is Thailand rice, but it's almost close to Niger rice. It's very strong and it doesn't stick to each other. Yeah, so I think that one is better than buying that 3,200 rice. And also with the dried fish, yeah, dried fish in Cambodia is $5 or $6. I forgot the exact price, but it's the range is $5 to $6, 250 to 300 pesos, and that one is like 3 fish already. Yeah, there are 3 pieces of fish already. And for the 6 pieces, 5 to 6 pieces of dried fish, that is like $10, which is 500 pesos. But here, the one I saw online is really expensive, like 800. Here we have dried fish, and we're just managing the one that my husband brought for me, because I'm used to those prices in Cambodia. So every time I buy this Niger Nigeria food here pain me well oh. Imagine the prices, because you know in Cambodia is very cheap, not very cheap, but at least it's way cheaper than here. For the white beans, if you want to buy it in the local market in Cambodia, that is 60 to 80 pesos. Yeah, but if you want to buy it in Nigerian shop, that is around 150, which is $3. But here it was 250 pesos for 1 kilo of white beans, which is around $5, like $2 difference. Even in Cambodia, the meat there is really cheap compared here. I don't know, maybe here because it's in the city, like close to Metro Manila, but there in Cambodia, which is Phnom Penh, we still live in Phnom Penh, but the prices are way much cheaper. Just like the cowtail, so 1 kilo of cowtail is around 13k. This one is Khmer Riel, because I normally buy it in the local market, so they use Khmer Riel, so their money is like thousand. So the cowtail is 13,000 to 15,000, so that is around, like in peso, that is 130 to 150 per kilo. Imagine, it's very cheap. That's why in Cambo, we chop Naija food well. Yeah, also their towel and those roundabout is 120 pesos. Yeah, highest would be like 150 pesos. Same with their chicken, that 45 days chicken. Yeah, per kilo is like 70 to 100 pesos. But here, the chickens here are very expensive. Same chicken, 45 days chicken, that is normally here 150 to 180. Also, the best part there is the chili. The chili there is very cheap. You know, Nigeria food cannot cook without chili. So the chili there is only 6,000 to 10,000 Khmer Riel. That is around 60 pesos to 100 pesos. If it's not seasoned, it will reach like 120 pesos. Yeah, that is 12,000 Khmer Riel. But if it's like harvest time, you know, the Cambo have a lot of chili, so that would be 60 to 80. Yeah, 80 pesos. The only expensive in Cambodia is their Ankara. So their Ankara there is 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. That is like 60 to 80 dollars. Yeah, like here it's really cheap. It's like $30, which is 1.5, and it's the same 6 yards. I'm just sharing the things that I observed there here compared here in the Philippines. Yeah, that is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks again for watching.